Hello again and welcome. This is where our journey into the world of Amazon Web Services and cloud computing truly begins. To understand cloud computing, it helps to first unpack what we mean by the cloud. You've probably seen that meme, the cloud is just someone else's computer. Funny as it sounds, there's some truth to it. In reality, the cloud refers to a vast network of remote servers you can access over the internet. These servers aren't drifting in the sky, they live in massive data centers around the world, owned and maintained by providers like Amazon Web Services. So instead of buying, owning and maintaining physical servers in your office or basement, you rent resources such as computing power or storage on demand from the cloud. This is a dramatic shift from the traditional model known as on-premise. In an on-premise setup, all infrastructure, servers, storage, databases is installed and managed within your organization's walls. That means you carry the full responsibility for hardware, maintenance, upgrades, and so much more. So why choose cloud computing over managing everything yourself? Let's talk benefits of cloud computing. First is cost efficiency. With the cloud, you pay only for what you use. No more overbuying hardware that sits idle half the time. Thanks to economies of scale, providers like AWS can offer computing power at far lower cost than maintaining your own infrastructure. Next is scalability. Imagine your app suddenly gets popular overnight. On-premise, you'd need to scramble, order new servers, install them, configure everything. In the cloud, you scale up with a few clicks. And when demand drops, you scale right back down. It's elasticity at its finest. Then the speed and agility. With cloud resources ready to deploy in minutes, your time to market shortens dramatically. Whether you're launching a product, building an MVP, or responding to demand shifts, the cloud lets you move faster. Collaboration also thrives in the cloud. Distributed teams can access shared tools and data from anywhere, enabling seamless teamwork in our modern, remote-first world. And let's not forget security. Cloud providers like AWS invest heavily in top-tier protection, encryption, threat monitoring, compliance frameworks, so your data stays safe and secure even in the face of growing cyber threats. And finally, disaster recovery. Cloud computing offers robust backup systems that replicate data across multiple locations. If a physical disaster strikes, like a flood or an earthquake, your data doesn't vanish. It's safe, backed up and ready to restore, helping you bounce back quickly. In essence, cloud computing empowers you to build faster, smarter and safer without the heavy burden of physical infrastructure.